Hi there, aspiring scientists. How's everyone doing? I hope you're all safe and doing well. I'm Thomas Virgil from San Jose School of Lateran Incorporated, Science, Technology, Engineering, Mathematics High School Department, and today we'll be doing some cool experiments that will surely shock your chemical reactions. So we have here the following materials such as baking soda, Coca-Cola, glass, and then first and foremost, in doing these experiments, pour 1/2 cup of vinegar or a cup of vinegar into the empty glass, and then add the baking soda, stir and step back quickly. Oh wow, that's cool, but how's that? But what happens when vinegar and baking soda is mixed all together? When soda mixed with vinegar, something is formed. The mixture quickly foams up with carbon dioxide gas, and if enough vinegar is used, all of baking soda can be made react and disappear into vinegar solution. Therefore, the chemical symbol for the baking soda, since it is a base, is the chemical formula acetic acid, while on the other hand, acetic acid is the chemical formula of NaHCO3. Gaseous reaction to products are sodium acetate. Same procedure for cola and baking soda experiment, but the question is, how does it work? But what if I tell you that the carbonate in the baking soda reacts with the hydrogen carbonate? This then very quickly breaks down into water and carbon dioxide that causes the explosion. We have here a cola, and then let's add a baking soda. Now look at this. It's good, but how's that? How does it work? Let's have another one. So you see, now you got my point, my fellow scientists. In addition, a lot of you asking, is Coke and baking soda a chemical reaction? Am I right of it? Oh yeah, you're correct. That's because Coke contains an acid and soda can be used as a base in this case, wherein it gives a hydrogen called proton, and that the baking soda which produces carbon dioxide, which is a very stable gas. Therefore, chemical reaction will be NaHCO3, but on the other hand in FCR solution. Hence, they don't have chemical formula, instead they have chemical composition which includes water, sugar, color, caffeine, and carbon dioxide. Once again, thank you very much for watching.